Fujisan Tinted Sunscreen Two-Tone Technology with Radicare, SPF 50 PA+++ UVA UVB. Hindi niya masyadong na-cover up yung pimples because nga, hindi naman tayo mag-expect ng mas mataas dahil tinted sunscreen lang naman siya. Expect na natin na light lang yung coverage niya. Meron din silang Fujisan Sun Protect SPF 50 PA+++. So, ito rin is 50 grams. So, ginagamit ko to tuwing umaga, tuwing lalabas ako. So, kung gagamit ka naman itong tinted sunscreen, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit nitong Fujisan Sun Protect. Kasi itong Fujisan tinted sunscreen is meron na siyang SPF 50, UVA, and UVB PA+++. This is it for today's video. Kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!